Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are the device owner and that you know the account credentials. This prevents lockouts. Next, make sure the phone is charged above 50% and on Wi-Fi so updates and verifications complete without interruption. Once done, back up your data to the cloud or to a computer. Do this before removing security. Now, open Settings and go directly to Security or Lock Screen options. We begin the actual removal process there, step by step. You now authenticate with the current PIN, password, or fingerprint so the system knows this change is authorized. Once verified, navigate to the lock screen or security section and choose Screen Lock Type. Pick None or swipe to remove the password. Some phones may show Disable or Turn Off. Tap that. Make sure to read prompts. Disabling may remove secure folders or payment credentials, so choose Keep or Remove according to your preference before confirming the change. Finish by locking and unlocking the phone to verify the password is gone, then reboot to ensure settings persist. If the phone asks for your account password or device PIN during the process, enter the owner credentials. This is a security check, not an error. If you cannot authenticate, try using account recovery tools from the device maker, or, only if you own the device and have a backup, perform a factory reset. Contact official support before drastic steps to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.